Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to use CSS in the JavaFX application. So guys, if you use CSS, so that CSS will make your project look and feel awesome. You can decorate your stage with the help of CSS. So here I am going to demonstrate you how you can use. So just create a FXML based project first in your NetBeans IDE. Okay. So I have created this one in the left hand side in the project tree, so I'm just expanding. So here we have all these three files fxml. One is controller and one is the start file which has a start method, and we have not to do much more with the other files. Just we have to write a simple code inside the JavaFX CSS_app file which has a start method. Okay, so we have to do right click and we have to create one folder. So I'm going to give the name CSS, click on the finish button. Okay, this is the folder in which I will create one CSS file. Okay, so folder is created inside the source package. Okay, once it is created, now in the second step we have to create one CSS file. So do a right click on the CSS folder, go to the new. You will see the cascading style sheet option here. If you are not able to see at this place, so just come downside and click on the others. Okay, and here in the filters box you have to type cascading. Okay, and so the search box will give you the correct file. So here I am typing style, so I got this cascading style sheet file type, and click on the next button. So it will ask you to give a useful name to your CSS. Okay, so here I am typing style. Okay, my file name will become style.css. Okay, click on the finish button. On the left hand side you can see one CSS file is created inside the CSS folder. Okay, right now I will write a small CSS code. So already I have prepared this one. I am going to paste it here. Okay, so I will tell you what is this. So here I am applying the background color on the stage. Okay, so this is simple dot root and then that simple CSS for applying the background color. Okay, the simple one I have used here. Okay, so inside the CSS file I have written only this one. Okay, now we going back inside the class file which has a start method. So here just below the line where we have created the scene object, so you have to use this line, scene.getStyleSheets.add, and then you have to give the path of the CSS style sheet. So you can see we are using the CSS, and the CSS is kept inside the CSS folder. So I have given the path /css/style.css. Okay, so with the help of this add method we are applying the CSS on the stage. So this was the major thing, to use the CSS, to apply the CSS on your controls, on your UI controls of JavaFX. Okay, once it is done we will take a clean build. Okay, here build is successful. Now I'm going to run with the help of this file. Do a right click on this file and choose the run file. And the stage is launched. Now you can see, so the CSS is applied and now you can see a black background on the stage. So guys, this was the way you can apply the CSS on the UI controls. Okay, but you have to write the code inside the style.css file. Okay, I will show you one more time. So here I'm going to change a little bit background color. So here I'm going to use blue color. So I have just changed the RGB value for the different color and just saved, and do a clean build one more time and going to run. Okay, it's done. We got the build successful message. Now I'm going to run this file. Okay, here we go. We got this stage. You can see the background color has changed now. So guys, this was the way you can apply the CSS on the UI controls that you are using on the FXML. Okay guys, I hope you found this video useful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep watching. Cool IT helps.